Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. I am Neha Rajvanshi and I welcome you all in today's class, that is English class of class 8th. So students, we are discussing with our grammar topic, that is direct indirect speech, right? So till now we have seen all the basic rules, we have seen the sentence structure that will be there in direct speech and that will be there in indirect speech, and in the previous video we have seen all the steps, we have seen all the rules that we have to apply while converting one sentence from direct speech into indirect speech, right? So I am very much sure that this much is very much clear with you all, and in today's video we will continue with the same topic. In today's video also we will discuss more about direct indirect speech. So now let's begin our today's video. So now let's see what new point we are having here. So now we will discuss rules for the change of pronouns. On the previous video we have seen that yes, we have to do changes in the tenses, how that we have discussed in a detailed manner in the previous video, and we have seen that we have to do changes in the pronoun. So now we will discuss that what changes we have to do and how, right? So now let's read. Pronouns in the reported speech are changed according to the person of the pronoun, और they can be noun also with the reporting verb. So हमने अब तक जितने भी एग्जाम्पल्स देखे हैं, so उसमें भी आई एम वेरी मच श्योर कि आप लोगों ने बात ऑब्जर्व करी होगी कि जो हमारा रिपोर्टेड स्पीच का पार्ट है, राइट, इट मीन जो सेंटेंस हमारा इन्वर्टेड कॉमा में हमें गिवन है, वहाँ पे जो प्रोनाउन होते हैं हम उन्हें चेंज करते हैं. हम कभी भी रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब के प्रोनाउन को चेंज नहीं करते हैं. वहाँ पे चाहे हमें नाउन दिया है या हमें प्रोनाउन दिया गया है, वी हैव टू राइट द सेम, राइट, बट द प्रोनाउन दैट इज देयर इन द पार्ट ऑफ द रिपोर्टेड स्पीच, सो दैट प्रोनाउन वी हैव टू चेंज एंड हाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू द नाउन और प्रोनाउन दैट आर यूज्ड इन द रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब. So according to that we have to do the changes, and yes, we are having more details that how we have to do the changes. So for that let's read our point 1. Pronouns of the first person. So now we are having very important words here. We all have to understand what first person pronoun means. So whenever we are having any first person pronoun in the reported speech, then they are changed according to the subject of the reporting verb. So students, they are actually very important rules. You have to learn all these rules, that whenever we are having first person pronoun, then yes, they will be changed according to the subject of the reporting verb. So this is the rule, and now let's see some example to practice this rule. Let's read the sentence first of all. The sentence that is given to us is Ramesh said I am learning French. So here we all can see Ramesh said. This part is known as reporting verb, right? इतना तो I hope आप सबको पता है, because हम इतने सारे एग्जाम्पल डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. हम ये चीज़ बहुत बार रिपीट कर चुके हैं कि डायरेक्ट स्पीच के सेंटेंस में दो पार्ट होते हैं. द फर्स्ट पार्ट इज नोन एज रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब एंड द सेकेंड पार्ट दैट इज बिटवीन द इन्वर्टेड कोमास, दैट इज नोन एज रिपोर्टेड स्पीच, राइट. सो ये हमारा रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब है, एंड आई एम लर्निंग फ्रेंच, दिस इज आवर रिपोर्टेड स्पीच. नाउ व्हाट इज आवर रूल? आवर रूल इज दैट द फर्स्ट पर्सन प्रोनाउन of reported speech. So now we can see we are having I. This is the example of first person pronoun, and according to the rule it will be changed according to the subject of the reporting verb. So now what is the subject? Subject is Ramesh. So now we have to convert I according to Ramesh, right? So how can we do the changes? Let's see. First of all, Ramesh said, इसमें तो हमें कोई change करना नहीं है, that will be as it is. Now when we will remove the commas, then yes, we will need one conjunction, so we are writing that. Now we are having I, so in the place of I we are writing here he. Why? Because I, this is the example of first person pronoun, and all the first person pronouns they are changed according to the subject. अब यहाँ पे हमें रमेश दिया गया है, we all know रमेश, this is the example of masculine noun, right? So for that we are having he. Suppose यहाँ पे किसी गर्ल का नाम होता, right? Suppose यहाँ पे स्नेहा, सुधा, इस तरह के गर्ल्स के नेम होते, सो देन हम आई को कन्वर्ट करते शी में. सपोज यहाँ पे प्लूरल होता लाइक चिल्ड्रन, किड्स, स्टूडेंट्स, तब हम कन्वर्ट करते दे में. ओके, सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द सब्जेक्ट जो हमें है वो हमें चेंजेस करने हैं कब, अगर हमें गिवन है कोई भी फर्स्ट पर्सन प्रोनाउन. दिस इज आवर वेरी फर्स्ट रूल. नाउ वी आर डूइंग द चेंजेस इन द टेंस that we have discussed in the previous video. Here we are having present continuous, so we have to convert it into past continuous. So we are writing he was learning French, and the complete sentence here will be Ramesh said that he was learning French. Okay. तो अब तक हमने क्या क्या चेंजेस हमने अच्छे से समझ में आ गए हैं. सबसे पहले हमें ये चीज़ समझ में आनी चाहिए कि जो रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब है उसमें हमें सिर्फ चेंज करना होता है सेट का. वो भी हम कब करते हैं, जब सेट के बाद में टू होता है. ओके, तब हम सेट टू को चेंज कर देते हैं टोल्ड में. अगर हमें ओनली सेट दिया गया है तब हम सेट को चेंज नहीं करते हैं, हम सेट को सेट ही रहने देते हैं. सेकेंड चेंज हम करते हैं कनेक्टिव्स का. नेक्स्ट हम चेंज करते हैं रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में टेंस का, प्रोनाउन का. And one more thing we will discuss, that is some time and place expressing words, right? So these all are the changes that we have to do, and after these changes we will be able to have a perfect sentence of the indirect speech. So I hope this first rule is clear with you all, that wherever we are having any first person pronoun, then they will be changed according to the subject that is given to us in reporting verb. Clear? Now let's talk about the second point, that is pronouns of the second person in the reported speech. They are changed according to the object of the reporting verb. So here we are having another important point here with us, that is that whenever we are having second person pronouns, अब तक हमने first person pronoun के बारे में तो रूल हमें समझ में आ गया कि जो first person pronoun है they will be changed according to the subject. Now if we are having second person pronoun, then what we have to do, then yes they will be changed but according to the object. Okay, so ये आपको अच्छे से लर्न करना है. first person pronoun चेंज होते हैं according to the subject, and second person pronoun they are changed according to the object of the reporting verb. Now let's read the example. The sentence is, the teacher said to the students, you may go to play. So here first of all you have to understand what is subject, what is object. So here the teacher, this is our subject, and to the students, so students is our object. Okay, and the reported speech is you may go to play, and here we are having you, that is the example of second person pronoun. And according to this rule, second person pronoun they will be changed according to the object, and object that is given to us is the student. So now let's see how can we convert this sentence. So first of all we are writing the teacher. Now we are having said to. So yes, we have discussed this thing also, that said to it will be changed into told. Okay, अगर हमें only said given है तब हम said को told में convert नहीं करते हैं, लेकिन said to हमें given है, it means to के बाद कोई object भी हमें given है तब हम said to को told में convert करते हैं. So we are doing here the same thing, we are converting said to into told. The student it will be same. Now we are writing one connective, that is that, and now here we are having you, so it will be converted according to the student. So the students, it's a plural noun, so for that we are writing they here. Okay, may it will be might. This thing we have discussed already कि जो भी मॉडल ऑक्सिलरीज हैं वो भी अपने पास्ट फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट हो जाती हैं, राइट. कैन को हमें कुड करना है, सिमिलरली मे को हमें माइट में कन्वर्ट करना है, एंड इन दिस मैनर द कंप्लीट सेंटेंस हियर विल बी द टीचर told the students that they might go to play. All right, so this is our second point. Now moving to third one, pronouns of the third persons in the reported speech remain unchanged. So now we are talking about the third person pronoun. So अब तक हमने first person का समझ लिया rule, second person का rule समझ लिया. Now let's see what we have to do if we are having third person pronoun. So it's very easy. Whenever we are having any third person pronoun, then we don't need to do any changes there, because that pronoun it will remain totally unchanged. Yes, let's see the example. Radha said she is a good girl. So here we are having she, that is our third person pronoun. So now let's see the conversion that we are doing here. Radha said, it will be same because हमें यहाँ पे said to नहीं given है, हमें said to के बाद object नहीं दिया गया है, तो हम said को change नहीं करेंगे. Yes, we will need one connective, so we are writing that. Now she, because it's a third person pronoun, so we won't do any changes here. We will write the same pronoun, but yes, we have to do change in the tense. Present को हमें past में convert करना है, so हम इसको was में convert कर रहे हैं. And the complete sentence here will be, Radha said that she was a good girl. Okay, so this is how we have to do changes in the pronoun. So basically let's write, whenever we are having first person pronoun, it will be changed according to the subject. Whenever we are having second person pronoun, it will be changed according to the object. And if we are having third person pronoun, then it will remain same. No change is required there, right? So this is very important. This is the rule actually that is related with this thing, that how we have to do the changes in the pronoun. So this you have to learn very carefully. And yes, always whenever you are doing the conversion, just read the sentence very carefully, just look out for the pronoun and try to recognize that what kind of pronoun we are having here, or we can say we are having first person, second person or third person, and then recall these rules and then according to this do the proper conversion. Okay. So now after consulting, or we can say after discussing all the rules, now we are having the entire table of the pronoun, because still आपके माइंड में एक क्वेश्चन होगा कि हमने रूल्स तो लर्न कर लिए कि फर्स्ट पर्सन को हमें सब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग कन्वर्ट करना है, सेकंड पर्सन को हमें ऑब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग कन्वर्ट करना है, थर्ड पर्सन में हमें कोई भी चेंजेस नहीं करने हैं, बट स्टिल मे बी यू आर हैविंग द डाउट्स दैट हाउ कैन वी आइडेंटिफाई, और मे बी अभी तक आपको नहीं पता है कि हमें pronoun कैसे पता चलेंगे. So for that we are having this table. This table is very important, very useful, and yes, it will help you for this all the doubts that you are having regarding these rules. So here let's see what we are having. So यहाँ इस table की help से हम सब देख पाएंगे कि first person pronoun कौन से होते हैं, second person pronoun कौन से होते हैं और third person pronoun कौन से होते हैं. So let's see. Here we are having first person singular, right? फर्स्ट पर्सन को भी हमने टू कैटेगरीज में डिवाइड कर दिया है, सिंगुलर एंड प्लूरल. हियर वी आर हैविंग सब्जेक्टिव केस, ऑब्जेक्टिव केस, देन दिस इज पजेसिव डिटर्मिनर, पजेसिव प्रोनाउन एंड सेल्फ फॉर्म. ओके, सो दीज आर द डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स ऑफ द प्रोनाउन. सो व्हाट इज द सिंगुलर? सिंगुलर इज आई. आई का प्लूरल क्या होगा यहाँ पे? वी. ओके, ऑब्जेक्टिव केस अगर हम देखें तो आई का ऑब्जेक्टिव केस इट विल बी मी, वी का ऑब्जेक्टिव केस it will be us. Then here we are having possessive determiner, so that will be my for I and our for we. Then mine for I and ours for we. Myself and ourselves, they will be self form. Okay, so ये दोनों क्या है? ये है फर्स्ट पर्सन प्रोनाउन, सिंगुलर और प्लूरल. सो आपको बेसिकली ये वर्ड ध्यान में रखने हैं. अगर आई, वी, मी, एस, माई, आर, माइन, आर्स, माई सेल्फ, आर सेल्फ आपको सेंटेंस में गिवन है, सो ये सारे हो गए हमारे फर्स्ट पर्सन प्रोनाउन. सो इन सबको आपको चेंज करना है कैसे? अकॉर्डिंग टू द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ द रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब. क्लियर? नाउ लेट्स सी द सेकंड पर्सन प्रोनाउन. सेकेंड पर्सन प्रोनाउन में हमें सिंगुलर प्लूरल सेम ही होते हैं. सो यू हमें सब्जेक्टिव केस में मिलेगा, ऑब्जेक्टिव केस में भी यू ही होता है. देन योर, योर्स एंड योर सेल्फ. सो सेकेंड पर्सन इट्स वेरी मच ईजी. यू, योर सेल्फ, ये जो वर्ड्स होते हैं ये होते हैं सेकेंड पर्सन प्रोनाउन. और सेकेंड पर्सन प्रोनाउन अगर हमें गिवन है देन इट विल बी चेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू द ऑब्जेक्ट. Yes, now we are having third person pronoun. So third person pronoun singular and plural. और singular में भी हम अलग अलग क्लासिफिकेशन कर सकते हैं, like male and female. So singular में male होगा he, female होगा she, neutral होगा it, और plural इन सभी के लिए होगा they. ये तो हो गया हमारा subjective case. Then we are having him, her, it and them. Then his, her, its and their, his, hers, theirs, himself, herself, itself and themselves. तो ये सारे जो वर्ड्स हैं they belong to the category of third person pronoun और इसमें हमें कोई भी चेंजेस करने ही नहीं है, ये एज इट इज रहते हैं, इनमें हम कोई भी चेंज नहीं करते हैं. सो बेसिकली आपको बस ये ध्यान रखना है फर्स्ट पर्सन प्रोनाउन अगर हमें गिवन है हमें कन्वर्ट करना है अकॉर्डिंग टू द सब्जेक्ट. और फर्स्ट पर्सन प्रोनाउन कौन से होते हैं? आई, वी, मी, us, my, our, myself, ourself, right? Second person pronoun you, your, yourself, ये convert होंगे according to the object. और third person pronoun like he, she, it, they, और we can say him, her, its, okay? So इनमें हमें कोई भी conversion करना ही नहीं है. So this is very important table. अगर आपको ये table learn है और फिर आपको rules learn है कि हमें conversion करना कैसे है, then only you will be able to do the appropriate conversion in the pronouns, right? So just learn this table, just learn the words, that what words are there in the category of first person, second person and third person pronouns. All right? Now moving on, we are having next point here, that is change in the expression of time and places. So this was our third change. This was our third step that we have discussed in the previous video, that basically we have to do three changes. The first change was change in tenses that we have discussed. The second was change in pronoun, that also we have discussed. And now we are having the third point here with us, that is changes in the time and places words. So we are having certain words that show, that express time and place. So we have to change, those words also. So for that, let's read what we are having here. When the reporting verb is in the past tense, the expressions implying nearness in time and place, so they are generally changed into those that actually show distance. So जितने भी words होते हैं जो कि time को show करते हैं, place को show करते हैं और जो actual में we can say nearness show करते हैं, so उन सभी को हम convert कर देते हैं उनसे related उन words में जो कि distance को show करते हैं. How? So for that we are having one table here. We have to read the table and then we can see that how we have to convert the words. So suppose we are having this in a sentence. So while doing the conversion, while converting that sentence into indirect speech, this will be converted into that. Okay. Similarly, here it will be converted into there. These it will be converted into those. Tonight it will be that night. Now it will be then. Now next we are having today. So today will be that day. Tomorrow it will be the following day. We can have the next day also and we can write the day after also. Next we are having yesterday. So yesterday will be the previous day or we can write the day before as well. Next is last night. So last night we can have similarly last week, last month, last year, last July, last Monday, last Sunday. So whatever we are having, so that will be converted into the previous night, the previous month, the previous year, the previous July, the previous May, right, in this manner. Next we are having next week. So it will be following week. इसी तरह से suppose हमें next month, next May, next April. So जो भी next related टाइम एक्सप्रेसिंग वर्ड्स है तो उसको हमें कन्वर्ट कर देना है फॉलोइंग में. नाउ नेक्स्ट वी आर हैविंग कम. सो कम इट विल बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू गो. जस्ट इट विल बी देन. सो दिस इज द टेबल एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस टेबल वी हैव टू डू चेंजेस इन ऑल दीज वर्ड्स, राइट? And now let's see some examples that is related with this table. Okay, so let's read. The first sentence is Mohan said, "This is my book." So let's see, we are doing the conversion. Mohan said, it will be as it is. We don't need to do any changes here in said. So we are writing Mohan said. Now yes, we need one connective, so we are writing that. And now don't get confused that why we are having two that here. The reason is that this first that it is our connective and this second that is the conversion जो हमने this को that में convert किया है. Okay, and now we are doing the changes in the tense. हम present को past में convert कर रहे हैं and in this manner the complete sentence here will be Mohan said that was his book. All right. Next is she said I will go out today. So again we can see that she said, it will be she said only. Now we need one connective, so that will be that. Here we are having I will go out today. So first of all we have to do the changes in the pronoun. How? That we have discussed. So I will be she, will it will be would, and today it will be that day. So you know हमें सेंटेंस बहुत क्लियरली बहुत केयरफुली रीड करना है, और जहाँ जहाँ हमें चेंजेस करने हैं, राइट, सो सारे चेंजेस हमें बहुत अच्छे से करने हैं. हमें प्रोनाउन भी चेंज करना है, हमें टेंस भी चेंज करना है, और हमें टाइम एक्सप्रेसिंग वर्ड्स भी कन्वर्ट करने हैं. सो हमने सारे चेंजेस करे हैं. आई को हमने शी में कन्वर्ट किया है, विल को हमने पास्ट में वुड में कन्वर्ट किया है, एंड टुडे इट विल बी दैट डे. Clear? One more example. She said, I went for the movie yesterday. So again we are doing the changes. Connective is that. I went. Okay, हमें tense में भी conversion करना है. So we are writing he had gone for the movie yesterday. It will be the previous day. So now the complete sentence here will be, he said that he had gone for the movie the previous day. Alright, so yes, just read the table very carefully, learn the words, that what word will be converted in, you know, what new word. So and then only you will be able to do all the conversion, right? So students, now into this video we have completed, we have covered basically all the changes that we have to do. We started this topic in the previous video, right? I am sure you all are able to recall. We have discussed that basically we have to do the 3 changes, and now we have covered all the 3 changes. The first is changes in the tenses that we actually covered in the previous video. We have seen all the examples also related with all the tenses. The second change is change in the pronoun that we discussed in today's video, and for that student the table is very much important. अगर आप टेबल अच्छे से पढ़ेंगे, आपको सारे पर्सन प्रोनाउन के जो लर्न है वो आपको अच्छे से करने हैं कि फर्स्ट पर्सन में कौन से वर्ड्स होते हैं, सेकंड में कौन से वर्ड्स हैं, थर्ड पर्सन प्रोनाउन में कौन कौन से वर्ड्स हमें मिल सकते हैं, और फिर आपको वो रूल पता होना चाहिए दैट फर्स्ट पर्सन अकॉर्डिंग टू सब्जेक्ट, सेकंड पर्सन अकॉर्डिंग टू ऑब्जेक्ट, एंड थर्ड पर्सन नो चेंज. सो दैट इज वेरी मच important. And the third change that we do generally, that is this one, that is all the time and place expressing words. So how we have to do the change? For that we have discussed one table, and yes, we have seen so many examples also. So basically हमें बस ये conversion करने होते हैं. So step by step हमें एक एक करके सारे conversion करने हैं. So now I am very much sure कि basic idea आपके mind में अच्छे से fit हो गया है. जो basic rules हमने अब तक discuss किए हैं वो अच्छे से clear हो गए हैं. And in the next video we will continue with the same topic, because still a lot many things are remaining related with this topic. So just be with me. See you in the next video. Thank you.